Bable here, your realtor. Yes, I find homes for buyers and buyers for homes. And I'm out here in Loudoun County right now in a little town called Greenback, Tennessee. It's about 15 miles south of Maryville, a couple miles off the 411. Nice little farming community of about 1,800 people right now. Fantastic little fixer-upper. It's a bit of a cold day, but this is a pretty hot deal if you're looking for that nice little fix-up property. It's also zoned in the commercial. It's a C2 zoning right now, so you can have it as a nice little Airbnb, an overnight rental type setup. And this is a nice little farming community with the area growing this way. You know what? Something like that just might work really well. As you walk in from the back door, you're going to see there's a nice little mudroom as you walk in, and then straight into the kitchen space. Going through there's a nice sized dining room and living space. It's actually quite large. There is a fireplace in there as well that's actually not connected, but that's something you can take care of when you do the renovations. Now you notice as you go down the hallway, you're going to find 4 bedrooms and the 1 bathroom down that downstairs area. And then walking upstairs, you're going to find another 2 bedrooms up the top of the stairs. Bedrooms that are basically identical, one on either side of the house. It's about 2,500 square feet downstairs, and it has a finished attic space of over 2,000 square feet as well. As you come back outside the house, you're going to see there's a nice expansive little lawn. It's a private yard, and it's a fantastic spot. Now the town itself is a lovely little town, and just down the road is a school, so you're close to where everything needs to be. And again, you're not too far away from all the shops and a brand new Walmart, which is actually just down the road as well. So there you go, that's pretty much it. As you can see, there's going to be a bit of work you're going to need to do to bring this house up to what you want it to be. We are selling the house as is. For more information about the house, just give me a call. All my details are right here on the bottom of the screen. I've also set up a website as well. Again, the details here at the bottom of the screen, so you just click on there and get some more information. I'm Randy Bable. I find buyers for homes and homes for buyers, and hopefully, if you're looking for that fixer-upper home, I've just found something for you. So give me a call, let me get you in and take a look.